So big shouts out to Adam for letting me stay at his house last night before we go meet up with everybody to head up to Gatlinburg. You're a real homie, dog, so I really appreciate you. But he's getting ready right now. My stuff's packed up, and we're about to hit the road and go meet up with everybody else and head up to Gatlinburg for a fun time. It's Thursday right now, so we'll be up there for a few days, which means a few videos of each day. So yeah, it should be lit. I've been to Gatlinburg quite a few times in my life, but never for Slammedenuff, and I heard it's pretty lit, so we're gonna see what's popping. I swear this man's gonna make me get a black car. They're hard to keep clean, but man, when you do, oh, so beautiful. Look who decided to show up. This man. What's up?
What's up, man? What's up, homie?
What's up?
How you doing?
I'm good. So we made it. Not unsketchily, but we did make it.
I know which one driving. Yeah.
Man, this has always been my dream to like bring my car up here on those curvy roads. Cause last time I came, I had that truck still, and it was kind of lame. But it's been sick, like driving that thing. Cause those tires are really good. Like, I haven't gotten those things to even chirp yet.
Really?
They're really sticky.
I chirped mine when I was pulling off of the shoulder corner.
Okay, quick hotel room review. This place is nice. Got hardwood floor, TV obviously, refrigerator, and a door to combine our room with Lane and Cole.
Yeah, I gotta put this seat behind it.
Oh boy. Nice restroom. AC feels good. Need that. Oh yeah. Let's go see Lane's room. Haha. He don't got a fireplace.
Same thing though, right?
Homegirl down there upgraded us for free, basically.
Awesome. Yeah, I should do that too.
Alright, so we're going to go grab some pizza and get the cars washed up because they're pretty dirty after that long trip. So that pizza was pretty good. We're at the car wash spot, but I left my wallet in the hotel room, so I'm pretty grass on that. They only take cash anyway, but so I'm not in the show or anything, so it's not a big deal. So I can just kind of like, I guess just use some quick detail to wipe some of the dust off the wheels and stuff. It don't look too bad though.
I'll reimburse you. Yeah, I'm not.
Look at this man right here. He's put about $15 in this car wash already. All of us is, well, I didn't wash mine. Lane washed his already. This man's still going at it.
This man didn't bring his car.
Why not?
Why not?
Yes, why not?
One, it's not the show. Two, it's shit.
I mean,
don't even compare a wide body FRS with 3-piece wheels to a stock body Civic with 1-piece SSR.
but it's still cool though.
No, it's not.
If you say so, I like it though.
No, it's not cool. It's not cool at all.
So you about almost halfway done?
I'm telling you, it's in the process.
So, I guess you guys are photographers, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
So what's your Instagram?
Benny S98.
BennyS98. What's yours?
I got two. I got FT6_fam. I got almost.fam.
Oh, you got the white wide body one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's you.
Yeah.
Okay, sweet.
I wish it was here, man.
Dang, I wanted to see that thing.
Dude, one day or next year, I'm hoping.
I won't put like a picture of his car up so you can see it. It's nasty. Who the? VQ figures. Actually, no. Go ahead and shout yourself out too, because his photos are dope as well.
Don't let it lie to you like that, but it's Onihanta Media, ONIHANTA.media.
It's fire. Go look at it.
No,
I haven't seen their stuff yet, but I've seen his.
It's more fire. Don't bother with mine. Go look at theirs.
No, look at everybody's. Everybody, we all love each other.
You are setting up your people for failure. Why would you do that?
No, your stuff is awesome.
Your lies.
He suffers from a case of being hard on himself. Like, you know, as a creator, you judge yourself way harder than anybody else judges you, which I'm guilty of doing before. He does the exact same thing, probably except worse than me though. So yeah, but go look at his stuff. It's dope. So I don't know what my man Lane brought us, but we are literally on the side of a mountain.
Pretty much.
I'm sure some of you have heard of toge driving. That's like literally what it was, but the road is like super narrow. It's sketchy getting up here. What the boy? Yeah, that's a certain death. You can't tell how far down that is on camera, but it's way down there.
That's probably a good
100, 200 feet to that road.
I'm thinking more than that.
Yeah, it's a long way down. For instance, this is me looking straight ahead. This is the tops of all those trees, so we're up pretty dang high.
It's up there.
Yeah, there's a house way the heck up there,
right
like
there.
Rich people stuff.
Rich people stuff. Yeah, rich people.
That is about the 5th WRX that's gone by here in the past minute or so. So it's currently starting to get pretty thick out here. Of course, nobody wants to drive by when I pull out the camera, but you get the idea.
That's all you really need. Hey, that's
This guy. Crap. I had no idea any of this was in Gatlinburg.
Oh my god!
I'm still trying to beat that game all the way to 100%. The new one.
The really nice.
Yeah, I haven't beat it to 100 yet.
I gotta buy it back.
All right, so we just got done walking around a place called The Island at Pigeon Forge. Somewhere I've never been before, but Lane caught wind of our pre-meet and we are here now. You can't really tell what's here from where I'm sitting, but we're about to go check it out. Oh.
Make somewhere.
Damon, he's wrapping his pants right now. Yo, I don't know whose man's this is, but this thing is fire. Oh, I guess that's his Instagram. I need that. Somebody already got you.
I told you. I told you it was gonna happen.
Beginning of the end.
I told you.
Boy, did they get him. Yeah, he's paying up. Like the current situation, the cops have now gotten out of their vehicles and they're slowly, intimidatingly walking around amongst the crowd. And just between you and me, when I pulled up, somebody was. So I don't know who that was, but they better hide that because they will go to jail tonight. Yeah, they're all currently trying to figure out how they're gonna screw every last one of us.
We get 175,000 square feet to get it wrong.
Been a long day, boys. Long, eventful day. But we're back at the hotel, so I'm gonna unload this footage. Maybe edit a little bit. Probably won't, but I'm gonna try. And yeah, load up and do it again tomorrow. So, like and subscribe. Follow these boys. Oh crap, I'm on auto manual focus. Yeah, follow these boys. They're awesome. And see you guys tomorrow.